Hello guys, Life Hackster here. Today I'll show you a little hack in wire management when you are wiring your plug-in cameras, or also especially when you're installing and plugging in a solar panel on your battery-powered security cameras. I like it when companies take their glamour shots of their products and you'll see how straight and tidy the wiring is. In reality though, that's not the case. You either need some type of cable clips to secure the wiring or some type of conduit or raceway. Today I'll show you a little hack using a tool that is mostly used by women more than men, because you will see this tool in the arts and crafts section of a store. And that is the good old glue gun. I actually have a mini one right here, and this is from Ryobi, and this is battery powered. And this is the one that I'll mostly use for this video. But you can always get by with the regular mini one, the $8 or $10 one that you buy at Walmart. Now, you just don't glue the wiring like this though, because there will be a weak point, and that is between the glue and the wiring. Put the glue on the surface first, push the wire in, and you have to get the glue over the wire. And when it dries up, it will secure the wire better. Now that they are dried, you can see that you can easily pull the wire out if you didn't put the glue over it. And on the second one, it needs more force to remove it. That's harder. I'll demo my Blink Mini 2 here, which I also have the outdoor rated wiring adapter kit. And I'll plug in the USB-C cable. And this is where you're going to have an issue with concrete or brick wall in my case, because you really don't want to drill holes so that you can screw in a cable clip. If it is wood, it is fine, but brick or concrete, I'm not really wanting to. This is the perfect scenario of using the glue gun. I'll put a dab right here, push in the cable, and put a bead from the side and over the wire and to the other side. If you work with glue guns, you will get these cobweb strings. Just pull to cut it out and let it dry. And that should secure it. Let's try on the brick itself. Do the same thing, hold it, and let it cool down a bit, and clean up the cobwebs. Now let's try a turn and see if it will hold up when there's some wire tension on it. Push the cable in and put a bead across the cable, and let it cool down for just a few seconds. And let's put another one here. When everything is dry, the glue is able to hold the wire in pretty good. Another use for this is when you're wiring in a solar panel to your battery-powered security camera, like my S340 in this case, which I have it installed under the eaves. I use the gutter mount for its solar panel, but now I have to secure the cable and not leave it dangling and in the way of the camera when it tracks, and also to have a cleaner looking install. This is where you can use the glue gun to secure the cable directly to the gutter itself, like so. Another one here in the bottom, and another one in my fascia board, and a couple behind and under my eaves. So now I cleaned up the solar panel cable, attach it to my metal gutters, to my fascia board, then behind it, and going to the camera. And it is a cleaner looking install. Lastly, remember when I reviewed Eufy's permanent lights, I said that the 3M mounting tape that secured it will eventually fail, and yes it did. So I've been using the glue gun to make it more permanent. I'll show you right here where I tried the glue over the wire technique about a week ago, and it has been holding up. Because this is where I realized that just putting a dab of glue will not last. You really have to get the glue over the wire. Lastly, just a warning, especially if you want to do this in wood or in a painted surface, because the glue, when it dries, is somewhat permanent. It will hold whatever you stick to it, but when you try to take it off, it might also take off the paint. With concrete or metal, it should be okay. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.